I'm about a desk over here in kitchen, bathroom, little office, wherever you need to have a 2.6 gallon trash can up to 10 gallons. They come in white. You may check online for further detail about the product and what they offer in colors. This is how they come shipped, and you're going to unpack everything. Just take your time taking everything off. You have a cover. You have all the covers inside over here, and everything is individually wrapped, as you can see. And this is not a pure white, but it has a little bit of a cream color to it. And this is the cover. The cover is going to snap close, and you're going to simply just place it on. It locks down on the lid, and push in. It locks in, push again, it springs open. Now that is neat. Got a little clip here, clips over here. It's all by pressure. And that's it. And that's your trash can. Throw your trash in, whatever you got lying around, there you go. Now you're all cleaned up. You can put them anywhere you want. Now this thing doesn't have any handles to grab, but if you need to empty it out, you just simply take the cover off. You take all your stuff that you thrown in into a trash bin, larger than the one like so. It could be used for recycling, papers, plastics, and garbage. It could be used for your bathroom, throw your tissues and whatnot in it. Keep it by your desk. It's a great trash can. You get 4 of them. Now I don't want to just use it for trash. I want to take my bird seeds. And I have storage for bird seeds. Anything I want, not just for trash. I take the trash that I just got and I put there, and I keep one right over here to the side, and great for the desk. It's a 4-pack. You can put them anywhere you want. They do a good job. I hope you enjoy your trash cans wherever you need to have a little trash can around the places where you're at. Enjoy your product if this is what you are looking for.